How to disable age protection on TikTok. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up TikTok. And once you do that, click on the profile icon at the bottom right. Then click on the three lines at the top right corner. Then click on settings and privacy. And here scroll down to the content and activity section. And from there click on content preferences. And then click on restricted mode. As you can see, the restricted mode is turned on. So in order for you to turn it off, just click on the red button. And then it will ask you to enter your passcode that you entered when you enabled the restricted mode. So go ahead and do that. Once you do that, click on next. And the restricted mode will be turned off, and this means that the age protection has been disabled. So that is it for this video. That's how you can remove and disable the age protection or restricted mode on TikTok. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.